Welcome to Efcwdd, your weekly investigation on the darkest crimes you've ever seen. Today we will follow the investigator named Sandy Reel on what we could call one of the evilest crimes that could exist on Earth. Now stay with us. On Saturday, 4th of July, 911 received a call that was nothing more than a cry for help.
911, what's your emergency?
I was sleeping on my couch and when I just woke up I saw that my TV was off, so I wasn't able to see the end of my series. I don't know what happened, I don't know who it is. Please help me.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Patricia.
Okay, stay calm. We'll send you an ambulance.
Please, hurry. Hurry, please.
Ma'am, please.
That's horrible.
Are you okay?
I don't know what happened.
I need you to take a deep breath, okay?
Okay.
Now, can you please tell me what was the name of the series you were watching?
I was watching the series called
Oh my god. Okay. Just to be clear.
Why? Oh my God! Why?
Can you hear me? Stay calm. Stay calm. Ma'am?
Yeah.
Just to be clear, ma'am. When met, did you see when he went to and then go?
I didn't saw this part.
But who did this? In fact, there already was a clue, for Michelle, the muppet, was in the house when the tragedy happened. Crime investigator Sandy Reel had not any doubt on who was guilty.
Hello, Michelle. Thank you for coming here.
Hello, detective.
Michelle, you can call me Sandy. First, where were you that day? Can you please tell me what you did?
Yes, I was sleeping with my wife at the hostel.
Okay. Well, did you come home at any moment that day?
No, not at all.
Okay. Today, Michelle, I want to tell you all the truth. And I want you to do as well.
Of course.
I'm just waiting for you to tell me the truth, because I know what happened that day. I know for a fact that you were here, okay?
Okay.
So, everything you just told me is BS, because I know, and again for a fact that you were here. You have no wife, Michelle, and you were surely not in a hostel with your wife.
But I wasn't there.
Yes, you were, Michelle.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Sure. As true as your real name is Michelle, or maybe should I remind you also your true name? Maybe it is Burpee? The same who was accused of horrible crimes in the past, such as to spill an entire cereal box in the dirt of the garden just to feed the flowers? Were you proud of it? Yes, you were. And did you escape the jail after that? I bet you did!
But I wasn't there.
Look, Burpee. What I also know for a fact is you're not a monster. You did what you did because you had a reason to do it. Maybe you were angry. Maybe something happened that day. Someone did something to you and it was very disappointing. Maybe it was really cruel. Maybe Patricia's deserved what you did, because maybe she ate all your gummy bears.
She's eaten all my gummy bears.
Okay, maybe it's Patricia's fault. Maybe she had no right to just eat all your gummy bears. It was yours. And yeah, she deserved to be punished. Is that true?
You know, I was hurt. I just felt pain inside of me,
I would lose my mind too, you know.
but I didn't do it. Despite she is a big whore.
Burpee, today I'm trying to save your ass, buddy, because seeing what happened last Saturday, I'm sorry, it's a death penalty, man.
Oh my gummy bears.
It's a death penalty. It will happen. Unless you tell me the truth, now.
I want my lawyer.
Okay.
You don't have any proof.
Do you want me to show you the proof? Because, you know, everyone saw you on the security camera. You know where it was? On the TV itself. Everyone saw you.
This is not a proof, but okay, show it to me.
Okay. When I showed him how cruel and brutal he was, well, the man was shaking, you know. And I've never seen any kind of reaction like that in my life. So, yeah, the man was guilty. He pushed the button and he deserves to die.
Thanks to Sandy's work, Burpee was finally caught, and it was a relief for Patricia's family. With no surprise, Burpee was sentenced to death by being cooked with potatoes. That's all for today. See you next week. Thanks for watching and take care of your series.